Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your OPPO A91, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on the both smartphones, then tap on the search and type here CLONEit. This is the application that we are going to use. Let's click on the install. Right now I can open it on the second smartphone because I just got it, and do the same on your OPPO. Click allow 2 times. And right now, click on the yes, I agree. Click sender on your Android phone, tap on the set, turn on location, and right now just go back and click sender once again. On your OPPO, click on the receiver, click allow a few times, click set. Also, we have to turn on location and tap on the receiver once again and use the search again button. Right now we have to click on the Android share icon. And we have 2 ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So you have to choose what you want to do. In my case, I will scan the QR code. Right now we have to wait a little bit. Accept the request on your Android phone. And right now if you want to send everything, just click on all of these icons and tap on the start. But in my case, I'm going below for the details, and I will skip for the music, then I will unselect all of these files, and I will pick 2 songs from Post Malone, Better Now and The Circles. Let's click on the start, OK, and it's finished. So right now we can check where are the files. And here they are in the audio. So, thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.